Take 3. Good morning. It's the 27th of July. I've just passed the viewpoint, so you know I'm heading north. I've got to run down to Drysdales and drop some pallets off there, and then into Livingston Nissa, 2 pallets for Nissa, and then straight across to Tesco Livingston, and then we'll see what I have after that. Quite nice, busy day, it's good. And they phoned me up, actually phoned us on my birthday, and they said, your shift tomorrow unfortunately has been cancelled because there's no trucks available. They're so busy. I'm like, no problem. And that's why you got a little bit of extra footage there of me messing about down on the rocks. It's my drone. I was just testing out my iPad mini. It's nothing special, but yeah, well impressed, well happy with that. I was supposed to be a 10 AM start, that also got brought forward to 8 AM. Again, more than happy with that. And because the kids are off, I got straight through the traffic today. It was fab. I know I was on the bike and it makes no difference, but you know what I mean. I love it when the kids are off school. And now there's parents screaming at us now. Been there, done that, bought a t-shirt. Especially when you're working, it's not easy. But it's a lot easier on the roads. And that's what I do now. So thumbs up to school holidays. Weather's fantastic. Apparently tonight, in the northeast anyway, it's going to get pretty bad. Further south, this afternoon it's coming in. Might get wet on my way home tonight, I might not. I've got 30 miles before I go into Drysdale, so going along very nicely. Like I say, I was at 8 AM start and it's 25 past 10 now. So I'm going to be there in 15 minutes. Love it. Especially when it's like this. 24 degrees now, folks. I know you're getting 30s down south of that, but we are talking about the east coast of Scotland here. 24 degrees. Wow. Okay, I shall catch us up the hill. I'd just quickly like to say thanks to everybody who was asking after my father-in-law. He's great, he's out, you know. Sorted him out. The car there wanted to overtake us on the whites there. I was just watching them and watching them. So I just put the indicator on and it normally lets them know. Some of them might ignore that, but he didn't. Let the car go. I don't think anyone's sick of the Drysdales footage. Please tell me if you are. I'm certainly not sick of driving Drysdales, no matter the weather. Today is especially beautiful though. It's beautiful, really beautiful. See the gravel just on this side there. I got last time I come down, I just caught it because there was a car coming up. It just gives you a little bit of a oof. Oof, you know what I mean? Oof, oh, oh, oh dear. Well, I'm looking ahead now at the road at the top of the bank. There's nothing coming there. Might be something under behind the trees. So now I'm committed. There is no going back. I am a truck. You are a car, or a motorbike, or a van. You will back up. I will not. Stand your ground. Here we go. Switching round the bend all the time behind us as well. Thing. I love the shape of that garage there, that wooden one. Aye, so the other day when I took my break, I parked just on this little bit here on the side. And I walked back down the hill because I'm a tool. I took a left here before you go into Drysdale's and walk down there, and it's a caravan park. In here, nice of them, flashed me out, thank you very much. So beautiful here, man. On you. The gate will be open, and here you get on the bay and they're like bang, they're on it. Give them the paperwork, you get the pallet straight off and send you on your way. Lovely. This is all public walking and that. You can go through here and just keep on the paths and that though. As long as you're not scared of cattle, because there's a lot of cattle in there. And if they're protecting their calves, a friend of mine told us they can be quite feisty. Indeed. When they're a heavy animal, and they'll probably run quicker than us. But they've only got to run quicker than the person you're with. You've only got to run quicker than them. Right. Hopefully there's not full 3 bays taken. Yes. Take the first one. Bit more of a bend to get started on it, but that's alright. As it's on. Set yourself up. I don't like to screw it round. If you don't have to, don't do it. Think of your tyres in their land. That's just me though. There you go. Perfect. Spin that round shortly. Right, 15 minutes. Done. It's quite a horrible bump that. Right, so this is Nissa. Nice little run in. I wasn't 100%, it's been a while since I've done it, but and then once you've gone on the bay you have to go walk back to the front here to let them know you're on the bay, and then by the time you get there they tell you you're tipped. So then you walk back. It's an odd one. Stacks of room. Easy. Right, 2 hours it was in there, just for 2 pallets because I didn't have the paperwork, and still didn't have the paperwork, but temperature is that hot up here at the minute, and you're literally sitting in a container, a couple of chairs. It was too hot, and you just let us go. I've got the 2 pallets off. Now 2 hours late for Tesco. Makes a change from being 2 hours early though. Oh man, I can't express how hot it is. I know it's redder down south, but it's reading 32 degrees, 33 now, it's just jumped up again. God knows what it's like inside the cab. Plenty fluids, as much water as you can, don't forget. So important that. Normally they come out to the gate, to the truck, and take the paperwork, take the little sheet of paper that you get. We'll see. Bit busy. preheated. Okay, 2 hours. 2 hours in this area, I'm just passing there. 2 hours in Tesco. Aircon's knackered in the truck. Wow, what a day. Never mind. Told me just to head straight back down the road, but give him a ring before I get to Team Valley to see if there's anything needs mopping up. Namely, Paradise Foods, we'll see. There was nothing in this for you to get a drink. It was a coffee machine with there was one cool drink there, the little cup of juice, but it was like drinking syrup. It was awful. No water on, you know, for you to help yourself to or anything like that, and it was red hot in there, absolutely boiling. So a bit disappointed in that. Drivers again, yes, we do provide our own, but we weren't in our trucks. The keys were handed in. Didn't think it was going to be 2 hours before somebody says something. Thank you. Went into Tesco's, air conditioned, got my bottle filled right to the top with ice cold water, nice sandwich, cup of tea, headphones on and a movie. Can't complain about that one, but the aircon being knackered, it's very uncomfortable already in the truck. It's only reading 24 now, it was up to 28, 29 earlier on. See what happens. See down the hill, folks. See down the hill. This is my home turn off. I've just phoned them up and they want us to go into Paradise. So I've only got a couple of hours though, 2.5. I'll check it out when I get in there. That'll be a 15-hour day. Be nice if it was a Saturday, but it ain't. And there's the rain as well. Oh no, I don't need the rain. Unless it's going to come hurtling down now and then clears up for me when I do finish so I can get home. So I better phone up and break the news to the wife. For some reason I said, oh, I should be home for like 7:30, but probably some meat on the barbecue. Should go better than that, boy. Right, I'll talk to you when I'm down in Paradise. Paradise, my arse! We've got a ton of thunder, ton of lightning. Still haven't started me yet. It's 10 to 9. So it's going to be tight.